Uh, Hello student, this e-learning module will help you a lot how to find equation of plane passing through 3 points very easily. Through this model, let us try to understand it. Dear student, in previous class we have learnt how to find equation of plane passing through one point and normal to a given vector. Today we will learn how to find the equation of plane passing through 3 points. There is no far difference between two cases. In first case, one point and normal vectors of the planes are given. Here, one point out of these 3 points can be taken as given point and only you have to find a normal vector to the plane. So that we can find the equation of plane by using the previous. Let us see the figure. Here A, B, C are 3 points on the plane having position vector A vector, B vector and C vector respectively. Now that is cross product of AB and AC vector is perpendicular to the plane containing points A, B and C. The equation of plane through A and perpendicular to the vector AB cross SC is dot product of R minus A vector A cross product of AB and AC equal to 0. That means dot product of R minus A vectors whole into B minus A vector cross C minus A vector equal to 0, where R vector is a position vector of any point on the plane. Let us try to derive the equation of plane by Cartesian form. Let A is equal to coordinate of A is equal to x1 y1 z1 and coordinate of B is equal to x2 y2 z2 and the coordinate of the point C is equal to x3 y3 z3. Let x, y and z be the coordinate of any point with the position vector r on the plane. P lies on the plane if vector AP, vector AB and vector AC are coplanar. That's why the dot product of AP vector and cross product of AB and AC vector will be equal to 0. That means the determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 and x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Let us solve a example based on this equation of plane passing through 3 points. Find the equation of plane passing through 3 points, that is 1, 2, 3. Another point is B 4, 6, 9 and 12, 11, 9. We can find the equation of plane by using these shortcut techniques. Generally, in this technique, the equation of plane we know that in general form ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, where a, b, c and d are three unknown real constant. Now, the following method or technique will help us how to find the values of a and b and c and d if we know the coordinate of the 3 points through which the above plane passes. We can also use the given calculator to find directly the equation of the plane. So what are the techniques? Suppose the above plane passes through 3 points with the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 12, 11, 9. Then what we'll do in first step 1? First we have to convert the 3 points into 2 vectors by subtracting 1 point from the other 2. That means to subtract order triplet 12, 11, 9 minus 1, 2, 3 and 4, 6, 9 minus 1, 2, 3. So ultimately we will get 2 vector with position vector 11, 9, 6 and 3, 4, 6. Now, in second step, find the cross product of the above two vectors by following methods. The cross product of vector with position vector 11, 9, 6 and another vector with position vector 3, 4, 6 is also a vector that is perpendicular to both the vector. The same vector is also normal vector to the plane. Now, here the normal vector will be ABC, that is, using this formula we will get the vector as 30, minus 48 and 17. This is the direction ratio of the vectors which is normal to the plane. Now, in step 3, the coefficient of A, B and C of the planar vector equation are 30, minus 48 and 17. So we have 30x minus 48y plus 17z is equal to D is the equation of the plane. But here D is unknown. To find D, we simply put one of the 3 points in the equation. For example, if we select the points with position vectors 1, 2, 3, we get D as minus 15. So the Cartesian equation of a plane is 30x minus 40y plus 17z is equal to minus 15. Now the corresponding vector equation will be r vector dot 30i minus 48j plus 17k is equal to minus 15. Or we can say r vector is r vector dot minus 38i plus 48j minus 17k is equal to 15. Instead of using this technique, you can also use this very useful calculator in order to find directly the equation of the plane passing through 3 given points. If you put all the 3 points in 3 rows, then you will get in the 4th row the corresponding Cartesian equation of the plane. Thank you. Have a nice day.